As we step into 2024, it's all about easy, chic hair with a twist. Think natural textures and low-maintenance styles, but with bold cuts that make a statement. Ready for a fresh look? This year's all about bringing back vintage vibes with a modern spin. From effortless shags to sleek bobs, get ready to meet the hair trends that'll have you longing for a salon visit. Let's dive into the styles set to define 2024. Textured layers. Revitalize fine hair with an artful arrangement of layers, each one meticulously designed to add texture and depth. Starting from midway down, these layers cascade gracefully to the ends, creating a voluminous effect that's both luxurious and effortlessly chic. Short and wild shag. Celebrate your curls with a timeless shag cut, a perfect fusion of sophistication and playful rebellion. This cut embodies the spirit of the modern, independent woman, effortlessly balancing elegance with a touch of wild charm. Blunt collarbone cut. The epitome of this year's fashion, a collarbone grazing lob strikes the perfect balance between classic beauty and contemporary style. It's an embodiment of grace and flatters with an understated elegance that is both timeless and strikingly modern. Soft curved bob. Rediscover the glamour of old Hollywood with a contemporary curved bob, featuring soft, rounded ends and a seductive deep side part. This hairstyle exudes femininity and a subtle allure reminiscent of classic film starlets. Wispy bangs. Elevate any hairstyle with the playful charm of wispy bangs, especially when paired with captivating curls. This combination adds a delightful bounce and refreshing twist to traditional cuts, bringing a lighthearted and whimsical element to your look. Cheekbone grazing chin bob. This chic, polished bob is a masterpiece of precision, with its razor-sharp lines and lustrous strands. It's a hairstyle that speaks of refinement and sophistication, perfectly framing the face to highlight the cheekbones with an air of high fashion. Mia Wallace bob. Timelessly iconic, the Mia Wallace bob from Pulp Fiction continues to be a fashion-forward choice. It seamlessly blends the allure of the past with the edge of the present, making it an ideal choice for the woman who appreciates classic style with a modern twist. Soft, blunt bob. Experience the best of both worlds with a mini bob that combines blunt accuracy and subtle texture. This chin-grazing style is a harmonious blend of boldness and softness, offering a versatile and fashionable look that's both striking and understated. Blunt textured cut. Transform your hair into a thicker, more voluminous version of itself with a blunt textured cut. By keeping the ends blunt and introducing a textured bend, this style adds a dynamic and lively dimension to your hair. Curtain bangs. Curtain bangs are the epitome of style, blending a retro vibe with a contemporary flair. This trend-setting look is not only stylish, but also versatile, adding a soft, elegant frame to the face that is effortlessly chic. Shag haircut. Opt for a shag haircut to embrace the full body of your curls. This chin-length cut, complete with bangs, offers a distinctive and flattering option, infusing personality and character into your overall look. Sharp shoulder cut. This sharp shoulder cut is a statement of precision and style. With the ability to make any classic bob or lob look modern and cutting edge, it's the perfect choice for the fashion-forward woman. 1970s long cut. Revisit the 1970s with a long cut that pays tribute to the soft, feathered styles of the era. This modern interpretation celebrates the free-spirited, long-haired icons of the past, blending nostalgia with contemporary elegance. Lob-length curls. This medium-length curly cut, adorned with layers and subtle curtain bangs, is a testament to understated glamour. It's a style that not only boosts confidence, but also radiates a sense of refined elegance. Choppy layers. Revolutionize your look with the bold statement of choppy layers. This cutting-edge style transforms the conventional lob into a daring expression of individuality, setting you apart with a cool, edgy vibe. Curly pixie cut. Embrace the charm of a curly pixie cut, enhanced with a side part for added volume. This style is a celebration of boldness and grace, perfectly suited for those who dare to stand out. Blunt bob. This blunt bob is a declaration of bold simplicity. With minimal layering, it offers a thick, stylish cut that exudes confidence and a modern sense of elegance, making a statement of pure chic. Wispy bangs. Curls and wispy bangs come together in a delightful harmony, creating a look that's effortlessly charming and subtly playful. This combination is perfect for adding a light and whimsical touch to your style. Textured fringe bob. A modern twist on the classic shag, this short bob highlights all the right textures with layers and thick curtain bangs. It's a playful yet sophisticated style that brings out the best in your hair's natural texture. Textured lob. The textured lob, predominantly one length, is a testament to thick, enviable hair, always ready for any occasion. This style is the epitome of effortless elegance and laid-back luxury. Fringed short curls. Layers breathe life into short curls, especially when complemented with a voluminous set of bangs. This style is a magnet for envious glances, showcasing a vibrant and lively look that's both daring and delightful. Trim Pixie. Dare to be bold with the Mia Farrow-inspired Pixie cut, a style that epitomizes the ultimate hair transformation. It's a cut that speaks of audacity and elegance, perfect for those ready to make a striking fashion statement. Layered mid-length cut. This mid-length cut with effortless layers offers a versatile and easy-to-maintain look. It's the ideal choice for showcasing your hair color, ensuring you look chic with minimal styling effort. Thick, balayaged curls. Let your curls flow naturally in a style that embraces layers and bangs, enhancing your hair's natural volume and texture. This cut is perfect for those who wish to showcase the dynamic beauty of their curls. As we wrap up our journey through 2024's top hair trends, remember that your hair is your ultimate accessory. Whether you're drawn to the effortless charm of shaggy layers or the timeless allure of a sleek bob, these styles are more than just cuts. They're a form of self-expression. So embrace your individuality, take a bold step, and let your hair do the talking. Here's to a year of fabulous hair days filled with style, confidence, and a little bit of that 2024 magic.